Welcome to Anna Solution Zone. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Open Tool error. That is, the error that we get most of the time while running the bypass tool. So now, let's start. At first, disable all the antivirus that are installed on your laptop. If you don't have any antivirus software installed on your laptop, then simply head to the next step. So, the next step is to disable the Windows security. For that, go to the search bar. Search for Windows security and then open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings. Turn off this real-time protection. Click on Yes. Now, you can open the bypass tool without any error. If you still get the Windows security error while opening the bypass tool, then you have to use Windows Defender Off tool. For that, open any browser available on your laptop, and then go to AnnaSolutionZone.com website. Click on Tools. Here, scroll down and find the Windows Defender Off tool. Now, download this Windows Defender Off tool. If the download gets blocked, then simply click on three-dot icon. Click on Keep. Click on arrow down icon besides the delete button. Click on Keep anyway. Now, open the downloaded zip file and then extract it. Open the extracted folder. Right-click on the control application, and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on More Info. Click on Run Anyway. Click on Yes. Now, quickly click on Disable Windows Defender. Here, this tool is also blocked by the Windows security. In this case, delete the recently extracted folder, and then go to the Windows security. Here, scroll down and turn off all the protection. So now, extract the downloaded zip file again. Open the extracted folder. Right-click on the control application, and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on More Info. Click on Run Anyway. Click on Yes. Now, click on Disable Windows Defender. Here, the Windows Defender has been successfully turned off. Now, you can run all the bypass application without any Windows security error. If you want to enable the Windows Defender again, then simply click on Enable Windows Defender. In this way, you can fix the Open Tool error. If you have any queries, then feel free to message me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Also, if you find this video helpful, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.